Guys, well, UPS guy just knocked on my door and I didn't have a video for today, so I guess I get to share whatever it is that someone sent me. It says that it came from Gregory, the UPS store, from Brunt, Montana. So I am not 100% sure who this came from. It might be my aunt. I can't remember exactly where she lives. I'm terrible at that stuff. I got so much on my mind that I'm terrible at remembering names, locations for people's. So yes, I totally forgot scissors, but that's okay. It's gonna be like Christmas time again for me. Oh, and don't think I forgot you guys on Facebook for the giveaway. I was going to do that today, but I decided I needed to get some miniature projects done. This week I will be working on it and getting it out to you for those of you on my Facebook page. We hit 100 likes and I hosted a little giveaway that ended on Friday. So I am currently working on that and hopefully going to get it out to you. Ooh, these scissors actually work pretty good. And I did send out, for my Happy Mail ladies and gentlemen from last year, I sent out 2 of them. And I may have to go get a pair of scissors for this. Oh. You know what? We're just going to have fun with it. We're going to Hulk it up. Ah. Oh, I know what this is. Okay, so one of my lovely ladies is a writer, and she sent me one of her books. So if you guys want to go check it out, she says it's on Amazon, I think she said. So it's called Eldra by Michelle Gregory. Now I knew who this came from. So if you want to go check her out, please do. And I have a hard time sitting down and reading, as of late. I love to write, even more than I love to read, but every once in a while I will find a good book. So once I found out that she wrote, and not only does she write, but she writes kind of in a genre that I would be interested in. So, I'm definitely going to check this out. And it looks like she sent some wonderful goodies too. Some pretty washi tapes here. Oh my, and she sent some lace. Oh, you want to know what's silly? I have some of this that I dug. I don't think it's like the similar pattern. It's a little bit different, but it literally comes wrapped in like this plastic, this special plastic that keeps it separate from everything. So that's so cool to have like a different print. And she sent me some silver bric-a-brac and some of this gorgeous paper. I love this stuff. I only have like bits and pieces of this type of paper. I'm almost out and I can't find it anymore. I'm actually gonna have to go online and start finding different types of paper now. It's so pretty. And this silver one, I'm in love with that. Isn't that so gorgeous? Thank you so much, lovelies. You guys bless me every single day, and I love this envelope. It is so shiny and pretty. I know where I want to use this. Actually, I have 2 different projects I could use this on. I want to keep it so bad, but it's going to match this one project that I'm working on so well that I know I will be listing in the Etsy shop. So, thank you again. And the Lelephants, my bestie, my lovely lady that I used to work with at my last job, she loves elephants. So, thank you for making me think of that. And I love these seashells. That'll go great in my mermaid one. I'll have to throw it in there somewhere. So, thank you so much. I am so excited to crack this open. I have another lady at work that, no joke, she reads probably 5 books a week. So I'm sure she will be excited to get her hands on this too and critique it. With as much as she reads, she'll probably be able to give you a really good review on Amazon if she does that sort of thing. But I do know she reads. I don't know if she does reviews, but I do know she reads a lot. Again, thank you. I'm pretty excited to get some lovely happy mail. It is always a blessing. Excuse me, a little bit of sniffles going on. Allergies. Sorry. Yeah, I got all these projects here. So much stuff. Don't worry, I'll have stuff for you Friday. And I did have a request for the scrap pack. So guess what, guys? On Friday, we will be doing the scrap pack tutorial. So I hope to see you then. And maybe by then, I should have my Facebook goodie ready to go and be mailed out on Friday. All right, I hope to see you guys then. Bye.